Ever tried crushing ice and ended up with chunky mess instead of creamy bliss? Today we unlock the top 5 best blenders that turn ice into snow smooth perfection so your smoothies, slushies and frozen drinks always win. Stay tuned, you'll save time, frustration and get pro results. Don't forget to grab yours from the links in the description. At number 5 is Chemfman Obliterator. Emotionally engaging product review following your instructions for the Chemfman Obliterator. Imagine crushing ice effortlessly without the fear of a blender that stutters or strains. Many of us have struggled with bulky chunks ruining smoothies or frozen drinks that never reach the right texture. Enter the Chemfman Obliterator, a powerhouse that transforms stubborn ice into silky perfection in seconds. Its 48-ounce jar isn't just generous, it gives space for larger batches, perfect for families or parties. Unlike some smaller blenders that sputter and leave chunks behind, the Chemfman Obliterator 48 ounces tackles everything with relentless precision. The sturdy sharp blades and variable speed control let you tailor blends from icy smoothies to creamy frozen treats. On the flip side, it's a bit loud, a small trade-off for its sheer power. Compared with others, the Obliterator feels more robust when dealing with dense ice, yet both are capable. For anyone tired of uneven blends, this blender feels like a reliable ally in the kitchen. At number 4 is Braun TriForce. Ever struggled with a blender that leaves stubborn ice chunks ruining your morning smoothie? Enter the Braun TriForce, a powerhouse that doesn't just blend, it transforms your kitchen experience. Its multi-motion blending system tackles frozen fruits and ice effortlessly, turning frustration into pure satisfaction. Imagine the relief of pouring a smoothie that's silky, uniform, and perfect every single time. Unlike some clunky alternatives, the Braun TriForce feels balanced and precise in your hands. Its robust motor hums steadily, letting you crush, puree, and mix without worrying about overheating. Sure, it's slightly louder than compact models, but the results make that hum feel like a victory anthem. Compared with others, the Braun's TriForce excels in tackling ice and dense ingredients without leaving chunks behind, ideal for smoothies, frozen cocktails, or post-workout shakes. For anyone fed up with inconsistent blending, this is the upgrade your kitchen deserves. On number 3 is Ninja BN701. Here's a unique, emotionally engaging product review for the Ninja BN701, tailored to your style and instructions. Imagine crushing ice so effortlessly that your morning smoothie feels like magic. Many of us struggle with blenders that leave chunks or sputter under pressure, wasting time and leaving frustration in their wake. Enter the Ninja BN701, a powerhouse designed to tackle ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients with astonishing precision. Its 1,400-watt motor and Auto IQ technology don't just blend, they orchestrate a perfect texture every time. Unlike typical blenders that require repeated pulsing, the BN701 handles dense ice with fluid ease, creating creamy, silky results in seconds. Compared with others, the Ninja BN701, it feels sharper, faster and more intuitive, while still offering the versatility of multiple programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and purees. Yes, it's a bit bulky, but the performance outweighs the counter space. At number 2 is Black Plus Decker Power Crush. Imagine crushing ice for your morning smoothie without a second thought. Sounds simple, right? Yet many blenders stall or leave chunky remnants. Enter the Black Plus Decker blender, a surprising powerhouse in a compact package. Its sharp stainless steel blades slice through frozen cubes effortlessly, turning frustration into satisfaction. In real life, we all want quick, smooth results without a mess. Black Plus Decker's 10 speed settings give precise control, whether it's a thick smoothie or a delicate sauce. Compared to the Ninja 1400 peak watts, Black Plus Decker feels more approachable, less intimidating, yet surprisingly efficient. The jar size is perfect for singles or small families, though larger batches may require multiple blends. Cleanup is easy, making it a relief after busy mornings. For anyone tired of waiting on stubborn ice, this blender transforms the process into a seamless, almost magical routine. Your kitchen just became a hub of effortless creativity. Now moving to the last one is CRANDDI commercial. Emotionally engaging review for your video script based on your instructions. Imagine crushing ice in seconds without that annoying clatter or half-blended chunks. Sounds like a dream, right? The CRANDDI commercial makes it reality. For anyone tired of slow, underpowered blenders leaving icy drinks uneven, This powerhouse transforms frustration into smooth, creamy satisfaction. Its 2,200-watt motor handles frozen fruits and ice effortlessly, making morning smoothies or party drinks effortless. Compared with other top contenders, like the CRANDDI commercial, doesn't just blend, it annihilates tough ingredients while staying surprisingly stable and quiet. Yes, it's bigger on your counter, but that extra size means ultimate performance. Some users note the learning curve with speed settings, but once you master it, every blend feels like a win. If you've ever dumped a half-frozen smoothie down the sink, this blender changes everything. Strong, fast, and reliable, the CRANDDI commercial turns everyday blending into a surprisingly joyful experience you'll actually look forward to. Here's the winner among the list you gave. The clear winner for power, performance, versatility, and everyday use is the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja BN701 has a strong 1400W peak motor and Auto IQ smart programs that automatically adjust blending for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, giving smoother results with less effort than basic blenders. It also has a large 72 Oz pitcher for family-size batches and durable stacked blades that crush ice, fruit, and tough ingredients better than many 1200W alternatives like the Braun TriForce. Overall, it's powerful, easy to use, and versatile for daily blending needs. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best blender for ice. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.